Nothing is gearing out for a launch event on March 4, 2025, where it is set to debut the Phone 3A series of smartphones. Nothing shared an X-ray style image of a phone with an extra button positioned just below the power button. It will feature a dedicated camera button on the side. A brief teaser video hints that the design of Nothing Phone 3A will be quite similar to Phone 2A, with a center camera module surrounded by 3 glyph lighting sections and a transparent look. A leaked hands-on image of Nothing Phone 3A offers a better look. The Nothing Phone 3A series will have the new Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset and run Nothing OS 3.0. Nothing Phone 3A series to get major camera upgrades. The Nothing Phone 3A is said to include a telephoto camera, while the Phone 3A Plus will reportedly boast a periscope zoom camera. The Nothing Phone 3A and Phone 3A Plus could be the first phones from the company to come with eSIM support. We'll keep you updated when we find out. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.